Hello all. Hello all. My name is Vishwas Kumar. Today I am going to explain my first capstone project on EDA exploratory data analysis on hotel booking analysis. Here statement is we are provided with a hotel booking data set. Our main objective is to perform EDA on the given data set and draw useful conclusions about general trends in bookings and how factors governing hotel bookings interact with each other. Understanding the data given and draw relations between the given data for better result and to provide more customer service and further improving the business. Here, hotel booking analysis is a volatile data which can be depends upon the so many factors like booking date, like here is the collab note. I'm using to explain some of the most important it means here is the data set consists of the various 32 columns, that is hotel is cancel lead time. So there are so many data provided in the data sets. To analyze this data we need a uh, we need we have to do the exploratory data analysis to draw the conclusions about the problem. The workflow is divided into three parts, that is data collection and understanding, data cleaning and manipulation, and the third one is exploratory data analysis, which is the main part to do the business analysis and to draw the conclusions about the data. And the EDA part will be divided into the three types. That is univariate analysis. Univariate analysis is the simplest variate analysis. Among all you are analyzing is only single variable. So this means that is we are focusing on the single variable, means like a hotel in the each column we have to we are driving the taking the only single variable to our consideration. And bivariate analysis where you are comparing two variables to study the relations between the means booking time and the number of customers. Likewise, the so many examples means ordered food versus the customers, type of customers, and uh, etc. Multivariate analysis similar to bivariate analysis, but you are comparing more than two. It is the uh, so we'll go to the collab notebook. Here is the collab notebook. Here is the GitHub link provided in the collab notebook. So using the Python, we have to do the exploratory data analysis. So that for that we have to import the inbuilt libraries in the Python. So import numpy as np, pandas as pd, matplotlib as for cborn as sns. Okay, that's one very well. First, we have to load the data set into our collab notebook using the link drive mount. Then we have to run the data path. So data set pursue. So we have to understand the data variables. So we are running the head info and describe on the hotel data frame, which we have created. It's taking time. So let's start it. So these are the data collection, understanding, data description, hotel, name of the hotel, city or resort. These are the variable column names that are labels that are provided in the data set. We have to thoroughly understand the data columns to analyze the data is cancelled, whether the booking is cancelled or not. This is the 0 for non-cancel and 1 for the one for cancel. Lead time in days between booking transaction and actual arrival. Means lead time means advance booking in somehow. Lead time is advance booking. Arrival date year, year of the arrival date month of the arrival date week number of arrival date in the year, month of the arrival date. So stays in weekend nights, number of weekends nights spent in a hotel. Adults, number of adults in a single booking record. Children, number of children in single booking record. Babies, number of babies in single booking record. Meal, type of meal. And the country from origin of the customers. So market segment, what segment where booking was made and what for what purpose. Means market segment is the means for what purpose they are booking the hotel, month for business purpose, for vacation purpose, etc. Like the distribution channel via which medium booking was made. This is the also important category to analyze. Medium of booking through online or through agent or TA, TO or GDS or direct booking. That's etc. is repeated guest, whether the customer has repeated or not. Means visited again the same hotel. Cancellation, number of previous cancelled booking without arriving. Previous bookings not cancelled. Reserved room type reserved by customer. This is also the excellent variable to analyze the data. Means which type of the room their customers are more interested into to book the rooms. Send room type. So there are so many means flow of the customers will arrive. So fortunately there is no rooms available what they booked. So we have assigned another room type. This is also interesting variable to look into. Booking changes. Company, it's a company visit or a company ID, customer type of customer transaction group, etc. ADR is also average daily rate, which is the good variable to look into. So the whole revenue depends upon the ADR. Uh, Required car parking space, total number of special requests, reservation status, etc. So data cleaning and manipulations. Here we are provided with the whole set of data. So we have to do the some cleaning and manipulation so that our data does not have missing values or non-values or duplicate values. So here are the some cool visual means codes to drop the null values here. There are 4 columns with the null values: company, agent, country, children. So finding the missing values using the uh, using using null keyword, keyword df dot sum. So here are the null values provided in the company, agent, country, and children. So here the data is missing or unavailable. So we have to replace the missing values with a suitable integer or float which is suitable, and removing the duplicate rows of data from data set. Here are the duplicate. There are 31,994 duplicate columns, rows are present in the data set. To drop the data set columns to thoroughly analyze the data to avoid the overfitting. Successfully mounted drive. This is the data path, hotel. These are all the columns present in the data sets. This is the data type that is the column values are recorded. There are a total of 1,19,398 data rows present in the each data set. So there are this is the missing values that are present in the data set. We have to replace them. Here is a cool visualization of the missing values that are present in the data set. Here is the orange data set. This company has a lot of null values and agent has a lot of null values. Your country has a lot of null values. So we have to replace the null values with the appropriate variable. Handling null values. So in this, we have to replace the company agent means data with a 0. So that is not available. So for our analysis purpose, there is uh, we have to load the data which is possible in form. So so that we can easily analyze the data. And for the children in the country, we are replacing with the others means others country which is not specified children. So we are replacing the children with the mean number of the data that is present for the remaining other mean of the data of the children column. So converting columns to upright database, this is the piece, this comes into the feature engineering part. So we have to appropriately rename the column so that for the understanding purpose and for the visualization purpose, it should be clear to the other we should be clear to the clients and as well as to our understanding purpose. So there is an outlier which is present in the data frame. So we have to remove that outlier so that we can easily analyze the data frame. Adding important columns, total stay means the total day that the customer have stayed in the hotel, stays in weekend nights plus stays in weekdays. So total people means adults, children plus babies. So we have renamed that column. Coming to the data visualization part, coming to the data visualization part, here as city hotel was resort hotel. The city hotel is mostly have the most booking percentage, which is about 63%. Means the customers are more likely to visit the city hotel. Means easy to means enjoy the vacation part or the too easy to come to the place, etc. And for the booking average ADR means average revenue provided by the city hotel is much bigger than the resort hotel. From we did this cool visualization is we have obtained from the data set and bookings made by the agent. This is also some of the important visualization. So the hotel management are more reliable on the date agents. So the agent number 9 has made the maximum numbers of bookings. So it's a trustworthy. So this is also helpful for the business improvement. So EDA exploitation distribution channel. The distribution channel means from via the booking has been made, the payment method or the channel the booking has been done. So conclusion from this chart is the 79% bookings were made by the TATO channel and the 14.86 booked by direct means in city and hotel resort hotels. The maximum number of bookings were made by TA and TO channel. So we have to in every hotel we have to provide the TA TO channel. So for increasing the booking rate. So conclusion, here is some visualization about the uh, mean lead time. Means mean lead time is the advance booking of the customers. So in the advance booking customers also, TAT is mostly user planning hotel visits ahead of the time. But for sudden visits, other mediums are most preferred. Next, continue. EDA continue. Uh, from the way we have to ask the questions that we from which part of the country the most people are visiting the hotels. Done some calculation on that. We got some fuel visualization stating that the maximum number of guests from the country, this country. And for the distribution channel, another important consideration is that comparing the city and hotel, resort hotel, which is the a distribution channel comparison between the city hotel and resort hotel results the direct and devotional used in the most both of them. And coming to the other part, this is the visualization. Assigned room type means the customer has booked the preferred the room type. So what kind of the room type that the customer has given in the hotel is the something cool relation that we have to meet the customer satisfaction to engage with the more booking and to getting the more chances to revisit. So we have to provide the room they have opted. So this is the cool visualization that states that the room type A has been mostly preferred by the customer, and the average ADR means we have to consider the other room type, so that we have to means collectively improvement the average ADR generated by the each room type. So here is the some visualization to that the maximum number of average ADR is generated by the room type of H, which is the in the maximum of 200 to above the 200, and the G, which is in the green color, which is about generating the highest revenue growth, and F type and the other likes are improving. So we have to take the measures so that to increase the other type of revenue, other rooms average revenue, so that the business, the hotel will have more revenue growth. Uh, and for the coming to the programming part. So this is the some cool visualization asked where which are the most busy months. So we have to uh, futurely correctly predict. We have to uh, correctly predict that the which month in the year the most number of the customers prefer to come. So we have done some cool uh, programming to get the data from cool visualization to state that our uh, so this is the in this orange color is the city hotel, and the blue line represents the resort hotel. In the month of mainly in the month of June to September, we can observe that the most number of the peak we have the peak in the both city hotel and the resort hotel. The number of guests have increased so much. So we can conclude that the in the August month and July month, the customers are more prefer likely to be come to the hotel. So we have to make the preparation so that in the uh, whole July month and August month, we have to make preparations so that the more number of customers should be arrived and to revenue our growth. So now let's see which month has results in the highest revenue. uh, in the revenue per point of view, the same July and the August months have generated more revenue than the other months compared in a year. So average ADR means average ADR compared in a year throughout the year, uh, which is likely to be come in the August. So August has the more revenue generated in the whole year. So we have to plan accordingly to push the business. So have to make the arrangement so that the customers will have the good vacation in the August month. So type of the customers we have need means single, couple, family. We have to analyze the means which type of the family type has come more often visit the hotels. here is the trend we have can observe that most likely the couples have more arrival numbers in the uh, uh, in coming to the hotel. So we have to focus on the couple so to generate the more revenue for the business, more to more revenue for the business. And here is the heat map, cool heat map to understand the correlation between the variables. Here one means we can clearly see that total stay and the lead time will have the means uh, correlation of 0.32, which means higher. That significantly tell that so lead time is the advance booking. So who book the make the advance booking are likely to stay more number of days. That we conclude that, and we have seen that ADR and the total people have a more correlation like 0.41, which concludes that if we total number of people in one booking means that their total revenue generation is directly proportional to the total people. So here are some cool conclusions that can be made drawn from the uh, EDA capstone. So around 60% bookings are city hotel and 40% bookings are for resort hotel. So therefore, city hotel is busier than the resort hotel. Also, the overall ADR of city hotel is slightly higher than the resort hotel. Most demand room type is A, but better ADR rooms are type of H, G, C. Also, hotels should increase the number of room types A and H to maximize revenue. TATO is the mostly used for planning hotel visits ahead of time. But for sudden visits, others mediums are most preferred. Most of the guests came from European countries, which most of guests coming from Portugal. Guests use different channels for making bookings, out of which most preferred way is TATO. For hotels, higher ADR deals come via GDS channel, so hotel should increase their popularity on those channel. July, August are the most busier and profitable months for the both of the hotels. Within a month, ADR gradually increases as month ends with small sudden rise on weekends. Couples are the most common guests for hotels, hence hotels can plan services according to the couple's need to increase revenue. For a customer, generally the longer stays, more than 15 days, can result in a better deals in terms of low ADR. And we can conclude many more conclusions from the data. So here is some cool accurate data analysis done on the hotel booking analysis by me. Uh, thank you. Thank you, Alma Better.